I'd like to demonstrate a program today called Fotosizer. Fotosizer is a very handy program that allows you to do batch resizing of images. That means that you can do multiple files in one swoop. For example, I recently did a project on Halo, the game, and have a picture here. I'd like to show how to resize using IrfanView. IrfanView is a great program. It can be used to resize and do numerous things. If you resize a program in IrfanView, for example, it's open it, resize it to a set width and height. In this case I do 25% for the width and the height from the original size, and it resizes it. It works great. The only problem is if you have multiple files, it can be time consuming. In this case, for the Halo, I had 20 files, I believe, and that would take, a fair amount of time to do that. So a program like Fotosizer allows the action to be done with really a couple clicks of a mouse. First thing before we get into doing that is, how do you get Fotosizer? Well, first off, it's a free program. The website is www.fotosizer.com, Fotosizer with an F, F-O-T-O-S-I-Z-E-R, and there's a free download. You can get it from the main screen, or there's also a download link. And you can make donations if you want, as a lot of free programs allow you to do. Okay, the way Fotosizer functions is, first off, there's a few different settings. I want to make a new folder here that is going to be the destination folder. This is where the resized images will end up after they're resized. We'll keep the original ones at the original size just in case you want to use them for something else. So I made a folder called Halo 3 Resized. I have Halo 3. I'm going to add that as my source folder. So in the bottom where it says Add Folder, I hit Halo 3. Now there's a few different options. First, let's set the destination folder, which is the folder I created called Halo 3 Resized. So we pick the source folder where the pictures originate from, the destination folder. Next, I want to set the resize height and width. You can do this by putting in a percentage or the pixel size. I like to do percentages. So in this case, I want to do 25%, just like I did with the IrfanView example. 25%. You can also check the aspect ratio to keep that the same. Now at the bottom here, you can put in some type of mask, which that means if you want all the images to have the same name, like for example, if I want them to be Halo 1, Halo 2, Halo 3, I can do the wording and then %N, we'll put a number after it. Okay, let's check the settings. Everything looks good. I changed the percentage. I have the source folder, the destination folder, the mask. Now hit start and it will run through the operation. Now this may take a few minutes depending on how many pictures there are. If there are a couple pictures will go quick. If there are multiple pictures, it can take a few minutes. The reason I started using this program is I used to do pictures for a high school where I would do 100 pictures at a time, and it would take me more time to resize them than it would actually put them on a web page or anything like that. I stumbled across this program. It's been very handy. It's time saving. It's well worth the price, which is nothing. But I use it for numerous projects now and have shared it with others. Everybody I've shared it with has really enjoyed it. So if you use that type of application of multiple resizing, enjoy it. Okay, let's take a look at our original and resized. So first off, here, notice the size of resized picture is 42 kilobytes. Okay, that's the resized one. The original image was 1.84 megabytes. So you can see the drastic change in resizing, and also you'd notice by the size. So here's what a resized picture looks like. Looks very similar to the ones that we did in IrfanView earlier. It just did them a lot faster. So enjoy Fotosizer. It's a great program, and good luck with your image editing.